Hey, na Jesus Christ. So I'm a chicken licken. I'm buying what I want and I'm told I can't get it. How's that possible? Like, do you order and you are told that we'll give you this, not what you want? How possible is that? I want to put this into a test. Let's see. Hi, this is Jerry. So yeah, let's see what happens. This is Bayenze without no white meat, ne?
Can you check if it's white meat is over it's thigh, center, and drum, or side, center, and drum?
Can I not get it 2 drumstick with a thigh or
Maybe bakon.
why?
You only to choose only 2 pieces.
Who said so?
Yeah?
Why kanjalo mo? I phumi kanjani. I can get it the way ngi order ngakhona.
You only get 2 pieces. Get some piece I 2.
I disagree with
Even
that.
in the system, it shows good.
But if you say you want it without a white, okay, just putting things into a test and see what happens. They're calling a manager apparently, so let's see what happens. But it's my money. If I have to buy, you get what you want, not what they want, what the system wants. No, I'm the one that's buying in this case. So, yeah. I just want to see what's gonna happen on this one. Why should I eat meat that I don't want? Kanjan. No. Do not want it. Am I causing havoc? I don't think so. Just being a right customer who knows what they want. Okay. Hello, ma, bunjani? Ngiyaphila. Yebo. Bengithi ngicela i-rock my soul 3 without white meat. So bathi angeke ngikwazi ukuyithola.
Yeah.
Rock my soul 3.
Rock my soul kuma thigh, kill, ne drumstick A1.
I-kill is which side? Which side?
It's the center breast.
Axile enkulu le breast le. I don't want that big white meat.
For that one, the one, the center one, you know the center one. Yeah,
is that the small one?
Yeah.
Angifuni le enkulu.
Yeah.
But why can I not get inganayo le center, even maybe 2 drumstick with a thigh?
I want to see keep the way puma ngapon.
But sometimes you order somewhere and you get it. Why lana ngakwazi ukuyithola?
If you do that, you will get at the end of the day, we've got lots of the kill. The drumstick, we don't have drumstick at all.
But I guess it's not everyone who would order that, right? So why can I not get it, moms? Mara ngiyazicelela ngithi.
For today, yeah? Yeah, but we don't do that. No?
All right.
Yeah, we don't do that.
Akunankinga, moms. Thank you. There we go, done. You see, you ask for what you want and you shall get it. That's what we call talking, negotiating, and you get it. It's easy as said and then done. Thank you. And she's gonna come back again, probably angry. Let's see. Can you tell me? I'm a customer. Can you tell me? I'm a customer. Come on, give me. People are waiting behind me. Thank you, mommy. There we go, done. Sometimes you will get what you want. Don't think you can't get it. Who told you can't get it? They're lying to you, man. You'll get it. Don't allow people to lie. Okay? Go for what you want and you get exactly what you want. It is easier said and you get it.